Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. It is Friday. What is today? I think it's the 17th, right? No, 16th. Maybe it's the 17th. I don't know. Okay, yeah. Today is Friday, November 17th. It is currently 3:26. We're supposed to be at the gym at 3:30. We're about to go do a glute workout, a little bit of upper body because they need to train upper body. But good morning. Good morning. It's a great day to work out. I'm about to make my creatine and pre-workout for y'all. I'll do one scoop. That was a little bit more than one scoop. Good morning. Spend the morning with me. Spend the weekend with me. We did one scoop of this. Or a little bit more than one scoop. You ready? Yes, I had my boo. That's my boo back there. I'm gonna go work her out. Her and little Tasha. That's really it. I was not about to get out of bed this morning. But you know what my motivation was? We got 4 more workouts till we go home. And after today, it'll be 3.
That's because you ain't working on Monday.
Yeah. You working out on Sunday? Since we were working on Sunday. Anyway. So I'll see y'all when we get to the gym. We're about to go. We late already. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. I really appreciate that. Yeah, let's go. This stuff's so good. You can get some more protein. Use my code PWTELISA for 40% off. And I think you get an extra percentage off if you use it before next Thursday. So, don't tell them I told you. Go get you some. All right, bye. Made it. We made it. and got me a smoothie. And I forgot it's the Friday deal, so I got me a bigger size. I'm super excited, so I'm gonna get all my protein in. But now I'm at the car place, Firestone. About to get some work done to my car, so I'll probably be here all day. I'm not really excited about that, but you know, it is what it is. I gotta be an adult. I'll probably be editing some videos and putting in next week's workouts for my clients. But everybody did their workouts this morning. I'm super, super excited. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Literally went home for like 25 minutes and laid in the fetal position on the couch. Cause that's how tired I am. I can literally just go to sleep right now. But you know what? I'm gonna get this work done. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna sleep. That's it. That's all. So it's 7:58. I'll let y'all know what time I leave here. Hi y'all. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It is Saturday afternoon to be exact. I'm about to go to the nail salon and get a fill-in and a pedicure. I am trying out another nail salon. This one is called Zen Nails and something. I don't know. But we're gonna see. That's how my nails look. And Thanksgiving is next week, so I think I want to get something fall, something festive. You know what I'm saying? I never get fall nails. I always get like nudes and pinks. So let's see. And I really just need to get out of the house, y'all. I've been so sore and fatigued since the last time I've been in this vlog. Like, I don't know. But I'm definitely probably gonna go to the gym later tonight. I'll keep y'all updated. Keep y'all posted. And yeah, that's really it. It's really it. I'm listening to this Andre 3000, and yeah, this is what I need to be hearing right now. I've been on Twitter, I've been on Instagram. It's just been a lot going on. Ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. I need to stop driving and vlogging, but let's go. Okay, y'all, so my nails are done. They're freaking cute as shit. I love them. I love that place. 10 out of 10. Finally. Good morning, you guys. Sorry I left y'all hanging last night, but I did not end up going to the gym. Shatora went to the gym by herself, so, and I was still sore. I'm still sore this morning, but I'm gonna go after church later on. We're about to go to church. It's third Sunday, so it's Youth Sunday. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you our outfits when we get to church. But it's camo day, so yeah.